when we're trying to break down the square root of 32, I'm always looking for what's called a perfect prime combination. Okay? That perfect prime combo. So that means I want to get a perfect square, which is like these things that are up here. So that's 1, that's my 4s, my 9, my 16, my 25. These are my perfects. And get a prime combo, which is my 2, my 3, my 5, my 7, my 11, my 13, in order for me to break down 32. So this is why I keep doing all these things with my notebook, and I know it's all kinds of wonky and folded, but this is the reason why I use my notebook, this math notebook that I designed. Because when kids come down to basically breaking down radicals, they can get the assistance that they need with my factor chart. Now, my factor chart that is also incorporated inside this notebook. Kids can go and say, all right, I need to look for factors of 32. So I come over here and I look for 32. So at 32, I have 1 and 32, I have 2 and 16, and 4 and 8. But I notice that 2 and 16 are red. And when I say what red numbers are, they're my perfect prime combination. So I can basically help students break down radicals like that. So if they come to 32, I got 2 and 16, perfect. So let me come over here. So now I always like to put the perfect first, which is my 16. Because remember, these are my perfects. So I have my 16, and then my other was a 2, which is my prime. Square root of 16, as I said before, can be broken down. If I did the square root of 4 squared, the square and the square roots cancel out, so the square root of 16 is just 4. So I can bring this down and replace it with just a whole number of 4. It's no longer underneath the radical.